Hey Barbs, welcome back to my channel. I am BBarbie365, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm doing a new install, and I got this wig from VrVogue. They are an Amazon dealer. Here are the things that came out of the wig bag. As you see, I got an edge brush and a wig cap. I guess it's one of those velvet strap wig cap bands. Anyway, this is a Brazilian 20-inch transparent lace wig. It is closure, as you can see. It does come with 3 combs and your adjustable straps. The wig is got a little thin. It was a little thin, but however, the more I wore the wig, the thicker it got. So I was happy about that. Here is the baby hair, and yeah, so let's get into this install. So first things first, you want to clean off your hairline. Make sure there's no oil, dirt, and makeup on your hairline. You want your install to be as flawless and to be as how can I say it, as natural as possible, because that's your base. Your head, your skin, your hair, everything. Your head is your base. So you want to clean it off really, really well. Try not to use alcohol, because alcohol is not good for the skin and it dries it out. Any alcohol products is not good for the skin. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I usually use Sea Breeze, but I didn't have any more Sea Breeze, so I went into my bathroom and got my eczema pads. I am doing a CapMethod, and I'm gonna take my sheer stockings in the color almond, and I'm gonna stretch it out really good, so my CapMethod can lay down flat. I don't have any ripples in it. I won't have a headache, and it'll be nice and comfortable. I was gonna do like the little mask where you cut out the eyes, but I was like, no, you know, I'm doing a closure wig. I don't need to do it. It's not that serious. So the reason why I get the large size, the queen size, because first of all, I have a big head. I have a round head. So I need it to fit very, very, very comfortable. I'm going to take this bold hold glue and spread it evenly on my forehead and smooth it out nice and even. And then when I'm done with the bold hold, I'm gonna put my Freeze It spray, and I'm gonna put like 3, maybe 4 layers. I just like my CapMethod to feel secure, because if I put on like 1 thin layer of my freeze spray, I feel like it's not going to hold as long. So every time I put on 3 or 4 coats, it lays as long as I want it to lay. I've been on this bold hold glue for a minute. It dries really fast. I didn't need a blow dryer. Only time I use my blow dryer is when I use my freeze spray. So this is the freeze spray that I'm going to be using, and it's by It. I'm going to spray it all around my hairline, and then I'm going to go in more on the sides, because the sides lift up for some reason easily. I'm going to be cutting off my ear tabs. Notice how on the back of my wig cap that I don't have to cut off any excess stocking. That's because the bigger stocking you get, I'm telling you guys, the better. You don't have to cut off any excess stocking in the back. It just fits perfectly. The only thing I'm going to be cutting is the front of the stocking. And I did get these sheer stockings from CVS. I forgot the name of them. Let me see, I have it right here. I do have it on my channel. on a previous video where I show you guys what kind of sheer stockings I use. So these are by Leda, Leda, and they are pecan actually, and I get them in extra large queen. So I'm gonna just take my scissors and cut all along the hairline as close as possible. I don't use a razor. You can use a razor if you want, but I decided not to use any more razors because, for one, it cuts my skin, and to me, the scissors just, you can lay them flat and then you can, you can cut it the way you want it to cut it. The razors, it's too sharp and it cuts my head. So again, I'm going to be taking off that excess hairspray and any glue or any residue off my forehead because I want a clean, nice install. I'm going to take my liquid gold and press it down on the little piece there that when you cut off your excess lace, or not lace, but the cap, you're going to have some pieces that are going to like rise up on your pantyhose. So you want to make sure that they lay flat because this is a bald cap method. You want to make sure that your head is looking like you have a bald head. So if you do not have any liquid gold, you can use hairspray. You can use a little glue. Just make sure you smooth everything out nice and even because you want to look like you have a bald head. And I don't know what happened to the video where I was cutting off the lace. I think my phone was low battery and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I'm going to be taking my mousse by Easist, I believe. And it is a lace glue. It lays down the lace even more and it holds it down. And I'm putting it in the front of the hairline. Like so. I'm going to be taking my black Ebin spray and spraying that along the hairline as well to make sure my wig is super secure. We were going on vacation. It's a little vacation for the weekend, and I didn't want to have any issues. And I'm going to put that on my heat setting on my blow dryer and blow dry that in. Now I did bleach the knots and I plucked the hairline. I don't have any video on there. I'm going to have a video on how I pluck and bleach the knots real soon. This wig is very pretty. I haven't had Brazilian hair in a long time, but I liked it. I really think it's pretty, it's thick, it's soft, and I love how full it is, even though I think it's 150 density. I believe so. Now, as you can see, I'm taking my Noxzema wipes and I'm wiping my forehead off again so everything can look so flawless and nice and clean. I'm going to take my baby hairs out and I'm going to cut them short and I'm going to cut them in a slant. I promise you guys, it was so flawless. Like, this ring light made it lighter than it looked. I think the mousse too. The mousse makes it a little damp as well. It makes it look wet. So I think I'm going to be using, what is that? Got to Be Glue gel. Either the yellow bottle or the black one. So I'm just taking my milk belt. I'm going to hold that down. And I'm going to use my pressing comb by Kendra's Boutique, and I'm going to press that in and lay that down so it can be nice and flat. What I need to start doing, and I don't know why I do this every time I reinstall, but I don't do it on my videos, is take everything in the front when I'm laying everything down with my pressing comb. I got to start parting it in sections and laying it down section by section to make it super flat. So I decided to give myself the wet look. I'm going to be using my Erica J fluff stuff and fluffing that stuff all the way down, but something was wrong with my top, so it wasn't working right. And I went in with my water bottle. Oh, and my tropical roots. Went in with the tropical roots, and then I'm gonna go in with my water bottle, and that will complete the look in a little bit. It'll complete the look. The ends was kind of thin. That's why I liked the wig better without any product in it, because it was fuller. It looked fuller. As you notice, when you start to wet the wig, or I start to wet the wig rather, it gets a little thin at the ends. But like I said, the older this wig got, the more that I wore it, it got fuller actually. So I melted that thing on down. I'm gonna go in and cut these baby hairs and swoop them up. That mousse, I don't know, I'm going to probably start using that gel because that mousse makes it wet. I mean, you gotta be a baby hair queen to make sure that, you know, the lace doesn't rise or lift up. And I am a beginner, so yeah. And I think the ring light too makes it look lighter. So I'm using my pencil red. Is it red or Kiss? No, it's by Kiss. My pencil flat iron, and I'm curling them up using some more tropical roots when I just said I wasn't going to use any more mousse. But yeah, I'm going to use my comb and swoop my baby hairs upwards. I don't know, I was just playing with it. I don't think there's no wrong way or no right way to do baby hairs. It's whatever you like. It's your preference. Can't nobody say those are wrong baby hairs. Baby hairs, it comes at any shape or sizes. To me, that's my opinion. I think baby hairs, oh, that's actually cute like that. I could have done it like that. I think baby hairs is whatever you like. Some people like it long, some people like it thick, some people like it thin, but all in all, just play with it and whatever you like. That's whatever you like. And then I just made myself a side part, gave myself a side part on the wig. So this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and definitely share. Love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. And I did purchase this with my own coin. So, yeah. Deuces. Mwah.